for accepting my humanity. Devoted to you. Thank you so much for joining us. Devoted to you. Um, so another good channel is the SpaceX channel, whether you like Elon or not, but I love watching the SpaceX channel. Then we have Chris Hartford. Chris Hartford is my absolute favorite car reviewer of all time, and recently he's got a video out there, Chris Hartford, with the DeLorean. You guys, Back to the Future fans, if you are, you should go check out the DeLorean on Chris Hartford. Chris Hartford has the latest and greatest on the DeLorean and many other vehicles. I mean, I always watch his videos before I decide to purchase any vehicle, because I know that I'm gonna get some very good details that a lot of channels don't speak of on there. Who else we've got? We've got Brian Cooley. We've got CNET. What else we've got? Drive Tribe. We've got Kelly Blue Book. And of course, we've got Top Gear. Top Gear, if you guys don't know Top Gear, I have loved their channel for forever, before it became a YouTube channel. Been watching the Top Gear. And now they have episodes on Netflix as well. So if you guys don't know about Top Gear, go check that out. It is fantastic. What else we got? We got Dylan Kowalski. Thank you for showing up. What else we've got here today? This is really cool. I don't know how this works. Pressing buttons to see. Top viewers. Anyway, I'm going to continue on with Dylan Kowalski. I was just talking about Dylan Kowalski. He also does 3D printing, and he, in fact, is the guy that got me to purchase a 3D printer for the very first time. I think I got, what was it, I got the 101 Hero, the 101 Zero, which was terrible, terrible machine. The worst machine of all times. But I had some really bad experience at that point with that machine, and I thought that there was going to be no future in 3D printing. But then I found the Dylan Kowalski channel, which is super awesome, and with his knowledge, and it made the content palatable enough that it was useful. Yo, what's up, Robert? Robert Elder 85. Thank you for joining us on the chat today. This is so cool. If you guys have any questions, please do throw them into the chat. Throw them into the chat, and I will do my best to answer as best as I can. So what else we got? We've got Dylan Kowalski. I was talking about. He does 3D printing